we couldn't find one that's actually put the head down. Okay, so we have a close-up look at the head. Okay, so we only gonna do the head, so give you more experience what the head of a rooster should look like. Okay, so I'm gonna put away, and here we go. So this one here, I'm gonna take off the whole paper here. Okay, and I'm gonna make my circle a little bit bigger. I can't see the whole thing, so again I have to make up slightly. Okay, so I got this shape. Okay, again, that's the way I do it. I actually don't look at my paper. I actually look at the photograph more. Okay, so down here, the beak, I'm gonna draw a line straight over. And so I'm gonna imagine, and I know the eye now, it's actually slanted to downwards a little bit. Okay, so again. Okay, and then there's an iris, which is dark. And then on top of the iris, there's a white spot. So I'm gonna leave that white spot and shade the outside slightly. Okay, then you can see this rooster here is still got lots of different pattern. That's along the eye, a lot of wrinkle. Okay, that's about the detail. Okay, a lot of time we don't get a chance to do detail stuff. So what happened in the school, if the teacher tell you to to draw something, okay? So this is something that I would like to see a lot of students able to do, is go after some of the detail, okay? Your teacher will be impressed. Okay, so now I can move it to the bottom here. Now, okay, extend a little bit. Okay, and then there's a folding right here. Okay, and then there's a shadow. This is actually a shadow coming down. Okay, and then there's another wrinkle here. Also got a bit of shading. And then finally, underneath the beak here, that is also a shadow. Okay, Now you notice that a lot of spot, so now this is opportunity for you to realize that, and so we can do the spot first. Then as I done the spot, I also noticed that here again we got this strange looking piece right here. Okay, and wrinkle, and even the wrinkle, it's got a little bit of the spot too. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the top here. Okay, I'm gonna shade this just like previously. Change my pencil to a little bit more wider pencil. Okay, so it's faster. Okay, I also giving a lot of spot. Okay, and then this part here also gonna go a little bit more pattern. And here we got another area, right beak here, and a bit of shading here. And a lot of wrinkle again. Now this part here also got some darker shade. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to this area here again, but I'm gonna try to get the rest of the feather going so you guys can see it. Okay. Okay, so I'm following the direction of the feather, what I saw. Okay, so you can see me, okay, going this way here, and then near the eye, near the this part here, I'm gonna shade you a little bit so that brighter area will come out. Okay, so again, you can see me got up to this point here. Okay, so this is what I expect that if you are doing a detail. Okay, so this is what it will look like. Okay. All right, so that's gonna be ending of my detail of the rooster head. Okay. I'm gonna have you just one more minute to look at it, so take a good look. I know it's a little bit tight, okay? However, not to worry about, because next week when we started, okay, we may also look at it again a little bit more, and then we go into the color. So you do have a chance next week to look into a little bit more detail.